Ever hit that send button on Cash App only to be met with a frustrating payment decline message? It's a common issue, and today, we're breaking down the steps to get your Cash App payments flowing smoothly again. First and foremost, the most frequent culprit is insufficient funds. Always double-check your bank account balance connected to Cash App before initiating a transfer. Once you've confirmed you have enough money, verify your bank account details within Cash App. A simple typo in your account number or routing number can derail a transaction. Next, keep an eye out for any flagged transactions from your bank. Sometimes, Cash App transfers might look unusual to your financial institution, triggering their fraud detection systems. If this happens, a quick call to your bank can usually resolve it. Explain that you're initiating a legitimate Cash App transfer and ask them to authorize it. And don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support directly. They have access to specific transaction details and can pinpoint exactly why your payment was declined. Access their support feature within the app or visit their official website. They're there to help. Finally, consistently monitor your transaction history on both Cash App and your bank statement. This habit helps you catch any discrepancies early. By following these steps, you'll be much better equipped to fix future Cash App bank decline payments. Keep those transactions moving.